Pry out the upper and lower trim panels of the instrument panel with the rocker. Then pry out the trim panel of the instrument panel and remove two fixing screws. Pull the original display screen outward, take out the original display screen, and then remove the power cord and LVDS plug. Remove the fixing screws of the host panel. Pull the host of the original vehicle outward, take out the host of the original vehicle. Then hold the buckle of the ISO plug of the host and pull it backwards to take out the ISO plug of the host. Press the small buckle on the original ISO wire head with tweezers, and take out the 2P orange optical fiber cable. Thread the ISO harness and RCA harness through the center console to the base of the display with threading tools and electrical tape. Pry open the side cover of the storage box with the rocker. Thread the plug-ins of 4G antenna and GPS antenna through the storage box to the base of the display screen. Pass the two USB sockets through the storage box and put them into the storage box. Tear off the double-sided adhesive tape behind the 4G antenna and GPS antenna and paste them on the dashboard. Plug the excess wire into the gap above the storage box and press the exposed harness into the gap with a rocker. Plug the 2P orange optical fiber cable behind the female head of the Android ISO cable. Connect the ISO plug of the original host to the male of Android ISO harness. Connect the Android ISO cable female to the back of the original host. Insert the plug and press the buckle to make it firmly installed. Install the original host back to its original position, confirm that it is installed in place, and then lock and fix the original host. Install the 3 panels of the instrument cluster back into place. Connect the original display LVDS cable to the Android LVDS cable on the RCA harness. Install the base of the Android device in the middle of the dashboard and lock the fixing screw. At this time, check that the plug ends of Android ISO harness, RCA harness, 4G antenna and GPS antenna are on the display base. Connect the plugs of Android ISO harness, 4G antenna, GPS antenna and RCA harness to the back of Android device. Put 2 metal clips on the base. Install the Android device on the base and lock the screw behind it to fix the Android device. Ignition on, power on the car. Check whether the Android device can be started normally and check whether all functions are normal.